Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this without any plugin in After Effects. Let's start. Okay, now let's create a new composition. Let's click here and call it a smoke and press enter. Okay, let's click here and then right mouse here and let's make a solid. Let's call it a smoke and select the color to white. Click OK and OK. And now go to FX presets. Let's search for fractal noise. Let's click here and add to our solid. Okay, then let's change some settings. Let's change the contrast to 70 and let's change the complexity to 15, or maybe let's make it 18. Okay, this one is more better. And then let's make an expression for it. Let's hold Alt and click here and let's write time multiplied 110. Let's check it. Okay, nice. And then let's make another one. Let's open the transform and hold Alt. Let's click here and let's write the expression. And then go to here. Let's make a movement plus and time multiplied 10. Let's see. Or maybe let's change it to 100. Okay, let's see. Nice. If you change this one to -100, it will move to the left. And if you add the same one to here, and this one moves it to vertically. So you can do it as you want. And now let's click here to change the scale of our smoke. Let's press here and change the width. And let's close here and press T. Let's change the opacity. Let's make it 30. Let's see. Nice. And now let's add some animation again. Let's go to FX presets and search for turbulent displays. Let's hold it and move to our smoke. And let's change the amount. Let's make it 75. And size, let's make it 25. And let's change the complexity as well. I'm gonna use 4 for that one. Let's see now. Okay, nice. And select the smoke, press E 2 times, okay, and go to turbulence displays and hold Alt click to evolution. And let's link it to here. And let's close it. And now let's select our smoke, go to FX presets again, and let's search for Gaussian blur and let's add it to here. And let's change the blur. I'm gonna make it 40 or maybe 25. Okay, this one is good. And then select our smoke again, go to FX presets and let's search for fast blur. Let's double click here and let's move it to the up. And let's change some settings from fast box blur. Let's make it 80 and change this one to 6. Okay, this one looks more realistic. Okay, now let's check it. Nice, this one looks good. And now let's test it in one of my animation. I have already exported it. Let's move it to our composition. Okay, let's select our smoke, go to pen tool or you can press G. Let's make a mask for it. And now let's check it. Nice, it looks really good. And you can use it in your animations. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.